Stop letting project chaos hold you back. It's time to conquer Jira and supercharge your software development. First, let's get you started with setting up a new project. Log into your Jira account. Next, select Create Project, then choose the appropriate project template. Popular templates include Scrum, Kanban, and Bug Tracking, which will fit your project's methodology. This initial setup allows for a structure to organize your workflow. Now, creating and managing issues is key. Click Create and fill in the details like summary, description, and assignee. Properly categorize your issues using issue types such as bug, task, or story. This is fundamental for tracking problems, defining tasks, and building your project into manageable segments. Next, let's visualize using a Kanban board. If you've chosen Kanban, your issues will automatically populate the board. Drag and drop these issues across different status columns, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. Your team can quickly understand the progress of each task. For Scrum projects, set up sprints, then begin sprint by using the Start Sprint functionality. By selecting the start and end date, your team will then work to complete assigned tasks. Check the board to see the progress of each sprint. Beyond the basics, Jira offers robust reporting capabilities. Explore velocity charts, burn down charts, and other project dashboards to monitor progress. These reports will enable you to make data-driven decisions and keep your project on track. Finally, remember that collaboration is critical. Use comments, mentions, and attachments to keep communications flowing. By mastering these 5 steps, you can significantly improve collaboration and productivity within your projects. Happy Jira!